Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So, leave out. Leave out. Yeah. To not include something. So, like here we are. Here's the circle, but the square is left out. Leave out. Oh, no, thank you. Yeah, I will leave that one out. That one out, no thanks. We'll leave it out. Which restaurant should we go to? We will go to all of them, but leave that one out. We'll go to that one, that one, that one, that one, but that one, no, leave it out. Ooh. But all the rest, yes, 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 no, yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Are they going to leave those out next time? So next time, are you going to ignore those, but all the rest are fine? Are they going to leave out those? Are we going to leave out those options next time? Maybe. Maybe not. Depends on things. How cool is that? I left it out this time. I have a few ideas, but I left them out because I'll do them later on. Yes. I have some plans, but we left them out so we could do something else instead. How cool is that? Yeah. Definitely. We should leave it out now. Leave that one out. We'll come back to it. Ignore it for now, and we'll come back to it. Leave it out now. We will come back to it. Yeah. Ignore it now. I will do it again in the future. Yeah. I'll come back to it. Leave it out. Yeah. Do you know how they are going to leave it out of the book? Leave it out of the book. Yeah. They might leave out that event from the book or the chapters. Yeah, they'll have all the parts, everything, all the events, but they will leave out that part, but include everything else in the book, in the chapters. Yeah. So leave out. To not include something. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So leave out. Now, can you use leave out in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.